this example, can you write, yeah, we have drawn a Venn diagram. That's been two circles, one for PC, one for Mac computer. Now, data, can you read that question?
20 people were surveyed to find out whether or not they owned a Mac or PC computer at home. The survey revealed that 8 people owned a Mac and 15 people owned a PC. All people surveyed owned at least one type of computer. Do you think some people owned both a Mac and PC? Discuss. Use the diagrams to help organize the number of people who own Macs and PCs.
Now, they have given the results for the Mac computer and the PC. Who own this? Survey revealed 8 people own the Mac. And the 15 people own PC. All people survey own at least one computer. That's mean everyone has a one computer. That, can you put the Venn diagram? And they're asking first question, do you think some people own both Mac and PC? But they haven't given how many people total. Use the Venn diagram to help organize the number of people who own Macs and PCs.
Yeah.
I hear given that's what I was chasing. 20 people. That's been total is 20. Mac. You have table here, Mac. On 8. That's been total Mac. Okay. We can put 20 on here, top. On the rectangle, we write 20. And the Mac people will be 8. Then on the Mac circle, we write 8. And PC will be 15. But they're telling everyone has a computer, mean it can't be outside. That's mean no Mac, no PC. That can't be. Right?
Yeah.
That's mean if you add this together, how much? 8 plus 15, 23. That's mean above 3. That 3 you can put it here. Then if you put 3, here 5, the remainder 5 plus 3, 8. This circle. And here 12. And 12 plus 3, 15. You get the circle each time. And when you add it all together, 5 plus 3, 8, plus 12, 20. That's the way we do that. What do you do is
5, 3, 12.
8 plus 15, 23, right? It can't be more than 20. Then we deduct 20, then I got 3. That is the overlapping part. What is it?
20, what?
No, that 23 is when you added 8 and 5, 23. That's why we take the 3 here. Okay. Can you fill the table?
Okay.
Are you able to fill the table?
No, I don't get it.
Okay. So change the mouse. Now here, Mac and PC. That's mean he has Mac computer and he has a PC computer. That's mean common area, this one, 3, right?
Yeah.
Mac and PC. This column and the line combining. This is we call 3. And here no Mac, only PC. That will be 12. No Mac mean only PC. And 3 plus 12, 15. This line, 15. And here when you come this column, Mac computer and PC, 3 come equal areas, 3. And only PC, only Mac is 5. When you add this together, 8. No Mac, no PC. That's mean outside. It's 0. And this will be 12. And this line, total 5. Altogether 20. If you add this way, it is 20. If you add this way, it is 20. It will be confusing, but if you understand, this is the way we need to be, right?
Okay.
You done?
No, almost.
Are you understand fully or you need to clarify again?
Mm,
If you ask question, you will get again.
I don't really get it.
It's a simple Venn diagram. Now, Okay, have you written the table? Can I move?
Oh, no, I haven't.
Okay.
Wait, hold on, I just need to do something.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy?